The thing that I think, all agree on is that this is inevitable. Do you agree with that, Brett?
I think it's sad that it is inevitable, but at this point it is.
What part of it do you find sad?
We have squandered a long period of productivity and peace in which we could have prepared for this moment. And our narrow focus on competition has created a fragile world that I'm afraid is not going to survive the disruption that's coming. And it didn't have to be that way. This was foreseeable. I mean, frankly, the movie 2001, which came out the year before I was born, anticipates some of these problems. And, we treated it too much like education. I mean, like entertainment, and not enough like education. So we are now, we've had the AI era opened without a discussion about its implications for humanity. There is now, for game theoretic reasons, no way to slow that pace, because as you point out, if we restrain ourselves, we simply put the AI in the hands of our competitors. That's not a solution, so I don't advocate it. But there's a lot more preparation we could have done. We could have recognized that there were a lot of people in jobs that were about to be obliterated, and we could have thought deeply about what the moral implications were and what the solutions at our disposal might have been. And having not prepared, it's going to be a lot more carnage than it needed to be.
Amjad, I heard you say a second ago that what we should be talking about is how we deal with job displacement. Do you have any theories? If you were prime minister or president of the world, and your job was to deal with job displacement, let's just say in the United States, how would you go about that?
The first thing I would do is teach people about these systems, whether it's programs on the TV or outreach or what have you, just trying to get people to understand how ChatGPT works, how these algorithms work. And as the new jobs arrive, I think there's going to be an opportunity for people to be able to detect that this job requires this set of skills, and I have this kind of experience, and although my experience are potentially outdated, I can repurpose that experience to do that job. I'll give you an example. A teacher, his name is Adil Khan. He started using at the time GPT-3, and felt like it does amazing work as a tools for teachers, or even potentially a teacher itself. So he learned a little bit of coding, and he went to Replit, and he built this company. And just